This series of video addresses different technology obstacles in everyday law firms and our thoughts on how to overcome them. First, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell for more videos on law firm technology talk. So in this video, we're going to talk about the 13th and last obstacle common to many law firms. This is the final video in this series, and we're going to talk about don't eat the entire elephant in one bite and making change manageable. When you feel like you have 1,000 things you want to fix in your law firm, that becomes overwhelming, and many firms just freeze and then don't work on any of the changes. We get it, it's a lot. So we're going to talk about the basics of making change one bite at a time. So here's a quote that I love. Sometimes the smallest step in the right direction ends up being the biggest step of your life. Tiptoe if you must, but take a step. And this is so true. And this is how to get out of the frozen or stuck part of moving forward. This is how you take your first step, then the next, and then the next. Many times we freeze because we panic. There's too much to do, and where do we start eating an entire elephant? So we're going to talk about this, but definitely schedule the free discovery meeting with us. We can help you through this process and show you your legal technology options to ease the burden on the attorneys, management, and staff. So let's go through how to eat an elephant one bite at a time. So first, you're going to start by creating the elephant as a list. Grab a notepad and write everything that you want to change in your firm and what isn't working. Get it out of your head. This allows you to breathe. Now, divide your list into no more than 4 to 5 categories. Rate 5 headlines or 4 headlines and start placing each item in your list under one of the categories. Why? Because many may work together and one may fix another. So organization is vital. Now, talk to your team and rate them as most important to least important. Use a 1 to 10 scale to allow a good range of importance. Be honest when you're doing this. If you mark everything as a level 10 red alert high importance, then you are back to where you started. Once you have rated all of them, do it again and see if you were honest enough or if some can be adjusted, because now that you're working in an honest state of reality, maybe they don't seem as important as they may be. Then pick 1 to work on. Not 2, not 1.5, just 1. Maybe after this you can do 2 or 3 at a time, but start with 1. You need a win. Our minds react positively to reaching a goal. Get 1 win under your belt. Then set a completion date. This is your finish line that we talked about previously. And again, this doesn't mean you're done with this project. It just means that you're where you want to be at that point in time. Lastly, rest in that success. Sit on the success, enjoy it, celebrate it, because you have knocked 1 item that you wanted to fix in your office off your list. You won. Celebrate it. Then you just do that again. There are baby steps, tiptoes, millimeter shifts, whatever you want to call them. But when you make enough millimeter shifts, it becomes inches, feet, yards, miles. You look back and you realize how far you have come and how you got there without that overwhelming feeling. You did it because you got organized. Many of the items on your list can be fixed, streamlined, and cleaned up through technology. Maybe 1 technology upgrade will fix 9 items on your list. That is incredible. Automation, as we have talked about, is an important way to free up time to attack your fix list even more. Build your business, work on your business, never stop learning, never stop implementing, and never stop growing. Now, we have addressed the 13 obstacles that we see so many law firms struggle with. Now it's time to start tackling your fix list, setting your finish lines, implementing automation. This is growth, and your bottom line will love you for it. Now that you have identified with us 13 common struggles that are related to so many law firms, and then you've related with some of those items, schedule the free discovery meeting with us, and we can help you jump the hurdle of these 13 obstacles. We specialize in legal technology and can see your firm from an outside perspective. We can help you, but not if you don't reach out. We are here for you. So schedule the free discovery meeting and set yourself up for wins and a culture of finish lines and up levels in your firm. We are certified with Lawmatics, Clio, and actionstep legal databases, and we implement and train on many third-party tools to drive your firm into amazing successes. Now, this was the final video in this series, and we will be doing a new series every few weeks, so watch out for those. Our goal is to help you reach your goals. I hope you found that watching this series was a productive use of your time. And again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our Tech Talk videos. Take care. Until next time.